Welcome back to part 2 of our Facebook ads tutorial. My name is Michael Hunter, and today we're going to continue our discussion about Facebook ads and how to set up your ad sets in the Facebook Ads Manager platform. Let's dive right in. Okay. Next, let's complete the process of setting up our ad set for this campaign. Keep in mind, you can have multiple ad sets and ads for each campaign to target different audiences with relevant materials. At the top, just like in the campaign section, you can modify the name of the ad set here. Make sure that this name or title is reflective of the audience that you're targeting. In the next section, you will see traffic options, since we chose traffic as our campaign objective. Here we can choose to send people who click on our ads to a website or a landing page, an app, or we can send them to a Facebook Messenger account if you want to interact one-on-one with them, or a WhatsApp account. Depending on your overall goal of running the campaign, you can weigh these options to see which one would fit the best. So maybe I want people to interact with me directly after they see my ad, then I will select Facebook Messenger account. So we'll go ahead and start a conversation if they click on one of my ads. Or maybe I want them to fill out a form on my website or on a landing page. Well, then I would probably just send them to a landing page and provide that link within the platform. Next up, we have the dynamic creative section. This is really an interesting section here. So if you select this option, you will enable the ability to test various creative options in the ads portion of the campaign setup process. This is an excellent way to understand what type of creative your audience is interested in, and also what makes them respond the best. Okay, so you'll be able to test different variations of imagery, headlines, text, descriptions, and even link copy. This takes us to the optimization and delivery section. Here you will be able to decide how your campaign is optimized and delivered with the traffic objective in place. What this means is that you will have the option to optimize your campaign for LP views, landing page views, link clicks, impressions, or daily unique reach. Okay, so how many people are we actually reaching here? And depending on your campaign goals, it's important to consider these options before launching, because we want to optimize based on what we want the results to be. Under budget and schedule, you'll have the option to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget for your campaign. So maybe you want to spend $25 a day on the campaign, or maybe you would like to spend $2,000 total for the campaign. So that's a good way to decide, which setting you'd like to pick. This is also where you select a start date and an end date for your campaign. If you select the Show Options button, you will see an ad scheduling option where you'll have the ability to modify when your ads will be shown throughout the week and throughout the day. So it's a good practice to check, maybe after a couple of weeks to see what, days or times that your ads are actually being noticed or being interacted with. And then you can set the ads to only show on those specific days. Maybe you're advertising something for a specific date. Maybe there's a holiday coming up and there's a specific holiday deal that's coming up. This is also a good way to, to kind of be aware of the settings that are on the Facebook ads platform. The audience section is where the magic happens. Here is where you tell the system who you would like to target. It's good practice to understand who your target audience is before running your campaign, and then test various things until you have it tuned in. In addition to detailed demographic targeting, you have the opportunity to target people based on their actions, such as if they visited your Facebook page or, interacted with something on your Facebook page, or maybe they visited your website, or a specific page on your website, we can set certain conversion actions to tell the system, that we would like to target specific people if they hit a certain page on your website. In addition to detailed demographic targeting, you have the opportunity to target people based on their actions, such as if they visited your Facebook page, interacted with your Facebook page, or maybe visited your website previously. Next, the Placements tab will give you the option to tell the system where you would like your ads to appear. Okay, so this is basically where they will show up as somebody is either scrolling through their phone, or if they're on desktop and they're on their news feed, or maybe they're on Instagram, or maybe they're on Instagram stories, or a different place. This is where you tell the system, I would like all of my ads to show up in a specific place, or I would like Facebook to kind of do that automatically for us. And you do this by selecting automatic placements. And when you do this, Facebook will use performance data to allocate the ads to appear in the places with the most activity related to your objective and optimization options. If you choose manual placements, like I said earlier, you can specify which places the ads will be shown. 2 down, 1 to go. Thanks again for watching my video. If you like what you saw, be sure to hit that like button. If you want to see more videos like this, be sure to hit subscribe, and we'll see you next time.